Hello all, welcome to the next series of Let's Automate. In the last video, we understood how to fetch or create the grade based on the percentage. This time we will do a little different. We will do a little visual representation. So I have the percentage here. So I want to represent it in a different way that I am easily able to distinguish what is what directly when anybody looks into this Excel. So I select all the data that I am interested in. It could be percentage or grade whatsoever. For now I'm selecting the percentage and I'm going to format here and then conditional formatting. So I am selecting that range here F2 to F16. It is what I'm seeing here, and then I say is greater than. If it is greater than 95 percentage, then I'm going to use dark green. Okay, and then I'm clicking on add another rule. Now the range is the same. I'm going to say is between. I'm going to put 85% and 95%. I'm going to change the color to yellow. I'm going to add one more rule is between 65% and 85%. I'm going to change the color to this, and finally let's say if it is less than 65%, I want to mark them as red. Okay, and then click done. Even before I'm clicking done, I'm able to see all of them easily represented. So this is how we can easily make use of conditional formatting to visually see. So when I look into this Excel, or anybody looks into the Excel, they can easily see only one person has green, one has red. There are a few which are in yellow color, couple of them in orange color. So we can use it for any data. So if I am using the same context, let me select the grade here. I'm going to go to format, conditional formatting. I have the range here selected. If the text contains distinction, mark it in blue. Add another rule. If the text contains second, I'm saying just second, I'm putting purple here. I don't have to put the entire text because it says text contains. Add another rule. If the text contains fail, I'm gonna mark it in red. I am intentionally not doing the same order so that you guys can easily understand that we need not follow a particular logic, but if it covers all the categories, then we are good to go. Okay, so let's select something like this, and then we can add one more for first. Something like this. Okay, so this is how we can use the conditional formatting for the numbers as well as for text. Thank you.